Ghanshyam ji has raised the status of Mallikarjun ji Kharge to a level of a god. That's what he has said, Ghanshyam ji.
लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ, इसलिए नेम कर देंगे।
Apology for what? He has not. Absolutely not.
सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है,
An actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. My tone, my language, my temper. I don't go by script of others. I have my own script.
you are a nuisance, बुद्धिहीन। सुनिए, I need an apology. I need an apology for saying I don't care. He has to care.
एलओपी ने भी उठाया था और आपने कहा था कि आप अपना रूलिंग देंगे, तो अब वो रूलिंग क्या है सर?
सुनिए, बैठिए। माननीय एलओपी श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और घनश्याम तिवारी जी दोनों ने मेरे निवेदन को स्वीकार किया। हमने पूरी चर्चा की, एक एक शब्द देखा गया और अंत में ये पाया गया कि श्री घनश्याम तिवारी जी ने जो प्रशंसा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की वो श्रेष्ठम थी और इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती थी। उस समय समझ में नहीं आया। घनश्याम तिवारी हैड एप्रिशिएटेड मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और चैम्बर में कहा कि कुछ भी मेरे से गलती हुई है तो मैं सदन में माफी मांगूंगा। आपको नहीं पता भाई? Honorable members, I take a strong exception to what Jairam Ramesh is saying. Okay, 1 second. And sir, before that, one thing. Even after that meeting, I myself read every word of it, and then I found. No, I'll give time. Then I found that there was nothing objectionable. I had also pleaded with the leader of the opposition that if he finds something objectionable, he may indicate. Please, sir.
No, sir, that I have not seen because you told.
I've seen, sir.
You told that I will go through the records. If anything is there, I will come back.
Yes.
And inform the. I told that even Ghanshyamji, it is better. The same thing what you have explained me in chamber, the same thing you say in the house.
I will do that.
So,
I will do
so that everybody knows.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually,
He said open.
Ghanshyam ji has raised the status of Mallikarjun ji Kharge to a level of a god. That's what he has said, Ghanshyam ji. But, sir, apology for what?
You say that he has apologized.
He has not. Absolutely not. People don't apologize when they praise. If I praise leader of the house, if I express gratitude to the, if I express gratitude to the senior leadership, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji has praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji. Would any member of this house, including Pramod Tiwari ji, point out a single word from the address of Ghanshyam Tiwari to which exception can be taken? Any word. No, I will not give floor to you. Disturbance.
जिक्र किया था एलओपी का, माइक एलओपी का जिक्र किया था, तो मैं उसे दोहराना नहीं चाहता, पर इतना जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि जो टोन थी, जिस ढंग से उन्होंने कहा था और जो शब्द कहे थे, वो तकलीफ बोल देना, वो निसंदेह जो डिकोरम होता है एलओपी ऑफिस का, उसके मद्देनजर उचित नहीं थी। टोन वर्ड दोनों को मैं कह रहा हूं नहीं थी।
सुनो, मैं बताता हूं।
ये भी दिया
नहीं, सुनिए प्रमोद जी, घनश्याम तिवारी जी was speaking in Sanskrit. Now Sanskrit is a language that requires some kind of orientation. Since you were not present here, you are not. Honorable members, I'll come to one issue. 1 second. No. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am not giving floor to you. Nothing in, no. No, nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Again.
घनश्याम तिवारी you watch out.
Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am about to name you. I am about to name you. I am about to name you. One second. Take your seat, Rajiv ji. हाँ, अजय माकन जी, want to say something?
कह रहा हूं किस बात के लिए सर? ये एक बात लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ, इसलिए नेम कर देंगे।
नहीं, अजय माकन जी।
सर आप कभी सर मैं एक हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूं, सर आप कहते हैं आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं, आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं,
सुनिए,
आप बैठे क्यों हुए? सर प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
सुनो, अजय माकन जी, नहीं राजीव जी बैठिए, राजीव जी बैठिए। Would any honorable member of the house please point out to me, read from the text what Ghanshyam ji said? Would any member of the house say so? How can a member of this house take floor without telling me that he takes exception to this part of Ghanshyam ji's statement? I can understand. My perception may be different. Mallikarjun ji's perception may be different. A member rises. He doesn't know what he's saying. Once I have not allowed you now, Jairam ji, I will appeal to the senior leadership to, sir.
And sir, you want to know the word he used? Do you want to know the word he used? We have given it to you in writing. इन्होंने इनके परिवार के बात कहा।
परिवारवाद का आरोप लगाया।
Nothing is going on record, and
you know it.
Take your seat. Take your seat. Nothing is going. I request the senior members of Congress Party, the honorable member, totally ignorant of what was spoken. Can someone ask him to keep quiet? Can you ask him to keep quiet first? Can leader of the opposition ask your member to be quiet? Sir, nothing. Question number 196. Sushri Susmita Sen. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir, we can't have a running discussion on this. No, sir. Give in writing if there is an issue. No, nothing. Absolutely. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev. Please. Sir, nothing.
You are speaking in the chamber. Instead of that, you should explain in house what we have spoken there. It should be told here. Then honorable member.
Because I have not given permission. Nothing is going on record. It will be on if I give permission. I will not. No, Mukherjee. Only Mr. Tiruchi Shiva. No one else.
Observations.
Okay.
Please.
Yes, Mr. Tiruchi. What is your observation, Mr. Tiruchi?
Sir, number one, sir, kindly whenever the leader of opposition gets up, give him the floor, sir, and listen to him, what he wants to do. That's my first request, sir. Second is, sir, as Mr. Tiwari told here, what I inferred because the what transport was in Hindi. Sir, Pramod Tiwari, not that Tiwari, sir. No, sir. I recall, sir, one day Mr. Chidambaram asked you, how 267 notice was preceded by another motion. How can you do that? And you were agitated. Because how can you ask, how can you do that? Sir, I told them, it is not how can you do that. How can you do that, sir? It's only the tone that matters. When you are being, something happen, the same will apply to the LOP also, sir. Please, sir.
Honorable members, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ, और सर मुझे माफ़ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. There, 1 second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No seat given to you. No, don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing. Nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? Sir, she's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Khadge ji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get... No, Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct. Okay. Get going. I know you want to destabilize the entire nation. Yes. You are out to create chaos in the house. Nothing else is going on record. I shall not be party to this house being converted, Mr. Khadge, as a epicenter of disturbance. You are determined to have your way at the cost of Constitution. You are doing it. It is lack of decorum, disrespect to democracy, disrespect to Constitution. You are walking away from your obligations. You are walking away from your duty. Honorable members, they don't want to participate. They know how to create only chaos. I am surprised. Absolutely. The nation is a priority. The nation is always first. Happenings in the neighboring country are engaging in inflammatory, condemnable narrative. And the ideology to which they subscribe is in silence. It has become a habit, leader of the house, with some of them, that a segment will speak out against the nation. A segment will set at float a narrative which tarnishes our institutions. demeans our democratic culture, weakens our progress, and they will expel the gentleman and take back. It is, I make an appeal to all right-thinking people in the country. It is time for them not to observe silence. Such narratives have to be ambushed at the threshold.
सत्ताधारी दल बल्कि पूरा देश आपकी बात के साथ खड़ा है और जिस तरीके का व्यवहार उस तरफ से हुआ है वह बहुत ही अशोभनीय है और वह बहुत ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना है। मुझे बड़े स्पष्ट दिख रहा है कि वह राजनीति में धरातल पर स्तर से इतने नीचे आ गए हैं कि वह पार्टी का विरोध करते करते, व्यक्ति का विरोध करते करते अब देश का विरोध करने लगे।
कहा जाता है चेयर से, ठीक है, वो चेयर पे बैठे हैं, अलाउड है। अगर वो चेयर से बाहर हैं तो वो भी आम एमपी की तरह हैं, वो हमारे अन्नदाता तो है नहीं। I objected to the tone used by the chair. We are not school children. We are all, and some of us are senior citizens. I was upset with the tone, and especially when LOP stood up to speak, he had switched off the mic. How can you do this? ये तो परंपरा के खिलाफ है. You have to allow the leader. Who is going to protect us? The leader of opposition. We are all together in opposition. If you are not going to allow him to speak, if he is not going to be heard in the house, then what are we doing? And on top of that, I mean, every time using words which are unparliamentary, which I don't want to say in front of all of you. You are a nuisance, बुद्धिहीन, ये सब शब्द जो है ट्रेजरी बेंच वाले भी बोलते हैं। हाँ, he said you may be celebrity, I don't care. I'm not asking him to care. I'm saying I am a member of parliament. This is my fifth term. I know what I'm saying. Nobody has ever spoken the way it's being done nowadays in parliament. What is the problem? And so disrespectful to women. You are talking about promoting women.
आगे आप लोग क्या करेंगे? आगे आप लोग क्या करेंगे और क्या मांग करेंगे?
सुनिए,
मैम, और आगे क्या करेंगे?
What is the way forward?
सुनिए, I need an apology.
बस
From the chair.
I need an apology for saying I don't care. He has to care. He's on the chair. He has to care.
और तब तक क्या रणनीति होगी मैम? तब तक क्या करेंगे?
अरे हमारे एलओपी जो हमको कहेंगे हम वही करेंगे. We are all together. हम इंडिपेंडेंट डिसीजन नहीं लेंगे.